Water. Is that good? Water. Yeah, Sadie's the most beautiful girl ever. And Thumper is the most beautiful boy. Thumper, we just found out, got some really good news. We got some good news that Thumper probably, it's not 100%, but it's a big probability that he can actually see daylight. We thought he was forever in pitch darkness, but the vet recently said that the chances are pretty good his infection behind the eyeball has resolved, so the cataract is still there, and that he can kind of see shadows, daylight. It's still like twilight to him, but hey, that's better than pitch blackness. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So we let him wander around on the grass out here. Sadie was his anchor. Every time he heard her, he knew where to walk, what direction to go in. Because if another bird was there, it had to be safe. Oh, he's going to wind up for the pitch, and that means a poop. Oop, and do I know these birds or what? No. Now Jenny, Miss No Legs, just remnants of what was left after being multiple fractured and pulled out of their sockets by a very evil human. She has a little table to sit on, but prefers to pretend she's got legs and can perch. Tell me that's not the most gorgeous Scarlet in the world, especially after what happened to her. And we got little Cookie. That's Cookie. She's kind of simple. She's got maybe 3-word vocabulary. Mama, step up. 4 words. She says hello or hi. Hi, Cookie. She's fluffing up. You're a fluffernutter. You are. It's almost time for their shower. I might film it, but I do that all the time. Cha-Cha, we're trying to get him a little more independent. So putting him away from Cookie rather than right next to her and see if he can tolerate it. He's doing okay. But he still has to have her in his sight. So that's it. That's the update and the best news ever on Mr. Thumper there. I love the fact that there is daylight coming in. Now our next step is to see if we can't get the cataract removed and have relatively fair vision. I'd be happy with fair. Even poor vision, frankly. Have any vision. He's never seen my smiling face, so he doesn't know who the nice lady is. Bye.